Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need your phone, the latest Google Pay app, and the physical credit card now. Open Google Pay and go straight to payment methods. Tap Add a card. Use the camera to scan or type number, expiry, and CVV. This speeds entry and reduces errors. Once done, confirm the billing address exactly as your bank has it and accept the terms. Finally, complete issuer verification via SMS code, phone call, or your bank's app so Google Pay can activate the card for payments. Once your card is added, make it the default for tap to pay and in-app charges if you want faster checkout. Make sure your phone has a secure screen lock. Enable fingerprint or PIN so payments are protected. Google Pay relies on device security for safety. Also turn on instant transaction notifications so you spot unknown charges quickly. If you use loyalty programs, link them now, and set spending alerts or limits to monitor activity and avoid surprises during the billing cycle. To pay, unlock your phone and hold it near the terminal's NFC pad. Wait for the checkmark and notification. That confirms the charge. If a payment fails, first toggle NFC and restart your phone, then check the card's status in Google Pay and contact your issuer if it's blocked. Make sure Google Pay and Android are updated, re-verify the card after switching devices, and review statements regularly to catch errors early. One quick troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add the card only if verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.